Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the automatic cam chain tensioner from Tusk. Alright, so today we're giving you a closer look at this automatic cam chain tensioner coming from Tusk. This is a really good upgrade for specific Polaris side-by-sides. I'll explain why here in just a moment. But a cam chain tensioner, just like the name says, keeps the right amount of tension on your cam chain, which is crucial. If you have too little, too much, that can actually cause performance issues. Also, worst case scenario, say your cam chain skips a tooth, that can actually cause your valves to come in contact with your piston, which can cause severe and very expensive repairs. And that is where this comes in. Now, like I said earlier, specific to certain Polaris models, and here's why. For certain Polaris side-by-sides, the cam chain tensioner is a hydraulic system, and what that means is that for it to keep the right amount of tension on your cam chain, it relies off the oil pressure that you have inside your engine. So let's say your machine is turned off and you fire it up. Well, it takes a few seconds to get that oil pressure to build up. So while that oil pressure is building up, you're not getting the right amount of tension. In fact, a lot of riders will complain about a rattling noise that they hear coming from that cam chain area, and oftentimes that is the cause. And that is where this comes in. So this is an automatic spring type cam chain tensioner, and what that means is that it's spring loaded, it is not hydraulic, so it does not rely on your oil pressure inside the engine. So no matter what, whether the oil or the engine is off or on, what the oil pressure is, the spring in this will always make sure that you have the right amount of tension on your cam chain. And like I mentioned earlier, it is very crucial. So again, for specific Polaris side-by-sides, this is going to be an awesome upgrade to know if it's going to fit your machine. If you use our parts finder on our home page, you enter the make, the model, and the year. As you scroll down, you're going to see all the machine-specific parts, including this automatic cam chain tensioner. If you guys do have any questions about this, you can leave your comments below and we will get those answered for you. When it comes to install with these, it's pretty straightforward. It's not going to take you very long. In fact, we have a really good how-to video where we walk through, we show you step-by-step how to get the job done. We tell you all the tools that are going to be needed for that job as well. Remember guys, orders over $75 ship free. If you like this product spotlight video, do not hesitate. Subscribe to us, and that's going to keep you up to date on the latest gear guides, product reviews, how-to videos, and UTV builds that we are constantly rolling out. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.